Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another travel video. It's my friend Kamila's, well Justin and I, it's both of our friend. It's her birthday. So she invited us out to Palm Springs and she's staying there. And we're gonna go just stay with her in her house there and we're gonna have a good time. All these charging stations. Let's see Justin.
I think maybe just automatically charges my...
We did it.
I don't know, let's figure it out.
I don't know, yeah. Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing a Tesla tour one of these days. I feel like I shouldn't do one until I can actually drive. So I can like, you know, be like, okay guys, I can drive and here's my car. Anyway, you can unlock the charger, but this is what it looks like. It's charging now. We're going to try to let it charge as much as possible.
Low.
Show them Netflix.
Okay.
Technically, we could sit here and watch Netflix, but we might go get food. We haven't really had an actual meal today. Yeah. I had like a banana, a muffin, some like chocolate raisins. Okay, we have the AC on. We were outside for like 2 seconds. It was so hot. Got our sushi here. You guys are gonna see the sushi. It was pretty cheap, so it's called Sushi Stop in Pasadena. We have a crunchy California roll. This is, I believe, an eel roll. What is that called again?
I think it's a
dragon roll. And then we got,
eel and California roll.
What's this other one? Another eel roll, right?
This is a dragon roll.
Dragon roll.
That's, the tempura spicy tuna roll.
Tempura spicy tuna.
This is tuna. This is tuna sashimi. It's like
nice.
And then
ooh, tempura, some green iced tea.
With it.
Okay guys, so we got here and we were just like slightly late.
Should we change that?
Yeah, go change in the bathroom.
Oh, I can just close this.
Oh yeah, close it. So we got into our room and I want to show you before we like mess up the bed and everything, but it's so nice. This is the room. I love this. Some nice art. Okay, the pool's out there, so this is like all window. Hey. And yeah, just really nice. Bed. The bed. And the bathroom. That's it. Oh my god! That's so cute. A vodka bottle? Jacob, jump in. Go.
Are you gonna push me in?
That was pretty great. Hi. Morning. Dougie. Camila's taking a shower. Jacob's playing us some music. And we're signing into Netflix.
It's pretty much the day in the life.
Yeah, this sounds good. Nice morning.
You guys sleep well?
Okay, so it is day 2 of being in Palm Springs. The house we're staying at is totally gorgeous. I actually want to show you guys this artwork. Oh my god. Hold on, there's a Campbell's Soup Andy Warhol thing in the kitchen. Actually, yeah, it's green pea Campbell's Soup. And it's signed. It's kind of cool. I was like, oh my god, this is just like in the kitchen. Here is the pool that we were in last night. So this is what we woke up to. So we got here at night. Oh, I want to show you this lamp too. So this place is just so pretty, but I really love this like, I don't know, monkey lamp, and the flowers and everything just looks good. It's really hot right now, but this was so nice to wake up to. Like all these mountains. So I'm pumped to be in Palm Springs right now, and we woke up, we got ready. This is my outfit for the day. It's super hot, so I'm really glad like this is really loose. And yeah, we're going to actually head to a place called Candescent. I'm not sure if I could show it yet. I will like take footage of it, but I'll do some research so I don't get like my video taken down. But you'll see, if you want to Google what Candescent is, you can. It's a company out here, and my boyfriend's parents actually know the owners, so they're setting up a little like private tour for us. And I've never been to a place like this, so I'm really pumped. Okay, this is the cutest dog ever. Simba. He licks me a lot because I think he likes my lotion.
We are currently en route to a farm, to an organic farm here in the desert.
It's a local organic.
You should check it out.
Yes, guys, check it out and find out what the farm grows.
Yes.
And then we're gonna go get breakfast.
Yes, hungry.
super hungry. How are you guys feeling?
I feel good. I feel really good.
Like 4 a.m.
Yes.
Was it 4 a.m.?
Yes.
I feel like it was even later than that.
That's
Like
crazy.
4:30.
That's pretty crazy.
And the roof, look how amazing that is.
Where
Like
we go?
what?
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Because I'm sure it's a huge place.
Yeah.
Is this inland?
Okay, so we got some crab benedict. It looks amazing. Camila recommended it.
It is not. It's like all of a sudden you're going.
Wow, you're so sweaty. Oh my god, guys, look at Jacob. He's so sweaty. There's a mister right there. This Kayla, she's in a nice
I
place
also
right
have
there.
like long hair.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
I'm pretty good.
You're like in the
Close
perfect
enough,
position.
But, like, not right.
I feel like an angel.
Yeah.
Look, I have the.
See, it actually looks good on you. It looked like it was like styled. For me, it was just like he's sweaty.
Like it was styled.
Yeah, frosted tips.
Okay, so Camila's getting us some wine glasses. Look at these, they're plastic. We're going in the pool right now. Jacob jumped in. Let's see, he's splashing around. He's in there already. But look at these glasses.
Look how cute they are.
They're so cute.
And they look expensive.
They look really expensive. They're plastic, listen.
Yes.
Obviously.
Party City vibes.
Yeah. Hi Simba, you missed us? You missed us?
Now you can be here.
Oh.
Oh my god, this is awesome! This is so cool.
It's Camila's birthday.
Yes, guys.
24.
Oh my god. I can't believe I'm 24.
Yes.
That's so crazy.
Oh, you look good. I like that bathing suit. That's
Thank
cute.
you. I got it at Target.
Oh my god, really? Oh, I got it at Target.
Really? I love Target.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Guys, if you want cool bathing suits, go to Target. Yeah.
Back.
You a glass of the
Some Justin wine, yes.
Is this your glass?
Hey guys. So me and Jacob are taking over Kayla's vlog.
What's good? I'm not good at vlogging.
Just dipped out like that. So we are currently in the pool right now. My puppy is right here. He's swimming on the floaty. And yeah, we're just like enjoying. Probably this music is gonna get copyrighted, so 10 seconds only. Peace out.
We're playing Never Have I Ever.
What happened to the music?
Or which way? What's the order?
Anyone who thinks of
That
one, I
way,
think is
because I
fine.
can't think of it.
Alright, yeah, we'll go like this.
Or just
Okay,
whoever thinks of
never
one.
have
It doesn't have to be in order.
Never have I ever owned a Tesla.
Oh my god.
Oh!
I haven't personally, my family has.
Okay, we're all ready to go. This is my outfit. Cute dress. Cute. We're going.
Scratch
We're
your happy
going
birthday.
to a restaurant for Camila's birthday.
Ooh, this is a cool.
This place is cute. Oh my god. All the pink furniture. Yes. This place is gorgeous.
Trading.
Some chicken. I have a poke bowl. Jacob, what did you get?
Kamila and I both got the
Oh, the sea bass. Nice. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so we just played Cards Against Humanities, and then we're going in the pool, and then we're probably going to go to sleep after that. Good morning, everybody. So it's Sunday, and it's our last day in Palm Springs. So we had a very easy morning because last night we went out for dinner for Camila's birthday, and we did drink. So yeah, I was like very tired, but another beautiful view to wake up to. Kamila and Jacob and Justin are getting ready, but I'm all ready, so I'm just gonna go on my laptop and then we're gonna make breakfast. But let's see what happens today. We're leaving here at 4 or 5 p.m. so hopefully we can make the most of the last day here and have fun. He gave me some and he licked it all off.
You see the gray?
Yeah. Hi. He has a little hoodie on. She just put it on him. 3, I think it's polar.
Like making it going in that pool and washing it off.
He does look scary a little bit. Just a little scary. Let's see. How many eggs do we have?
You want grande?
We have like 10 eggs.
Grande.
Are we getting Starbucks?
You can.
Yeah,
They actually look perfect.
they look good. Good thing you remembered.
Ooh.
I once left potatoes in the oven for like 2 hours.
Like fairy tale lamp for the last 20 minutes, and then I just remembered that.
Hey, it's so nice and hot out here. After you've been inside a while, it's good. What are you looking at, the mountain? Yeah. Let's go in for our nice breakfast. Chef Jacob made some salad. We're going shopping. I cannot wait to see what the shopping is like in Palm Springs. I know there's gonna probably be like lots of fancy stores. Ooh. This is Starbucks Reserves. Okay, we got some muffin and lemonade. It's so hot out. But they have these nice little like sprinklers on, the misters. So we're just in this area. Ooh, what are these ice creams? It's cute in here. So there's Justin with his date shake. Justin, how is it? Good? Yeah, I tasted it. It mostly tastes like vanilla.
Yeah, it tastes like vanilla ice cream.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's it for this Palm Springs travel video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you made it all the way to the end, you might as well subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wow, road trip. We're getting prepped, right, for our very long road trip. You guys will see another video coming up after this.